What I love ginger mints. Ginger mints is something that my grandpa put me on a long periodically time ago.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Instagram at The Diamond Mentality. There, I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty as well. And if you find your way, making your way over to my Instagram, go ahead and check out my blog. The link is down below. So now that I have all of the formalities out of the way, let's get right into the video. So today's video, I wanted to get into some bloating tips to help you de-bloat that gut and have a flat stomach. So y'all, I have been on my journey. As you know, if you are subscribed to my channel, if you are a part of the community, you know that I have been doing my what I eat in a day videos, showing you my workouts, you know, just sharing helpful, healthy tips for you guys. And in the beginning of my weight loss journey, I was so bloated. I was about I'm gonna say 20 pounds overweight. Don't ask me how I got there. I don't know how or what happened to me. But I was there and I needed to get better for myself. Mentally, physically, spiritually, the whole nine. I just had a switch in my brain to get better. And one of the things was me dealing with bloating. Y'all, bloating could be caused by a bunch of different issues. So you could be having digestive issues, you could be having gas, you could be having stool backed up in your intestines, which is, you know, poking out your gut and giving you that bloated look. Your diet could be a factor as well. So if you're drinking a lot of carbonated drinks like soda or ingesting too much salt or too much sugar, that could cause bloating for you as well. And also, we cannot forget hormonal changes. When our hormones as women are changing, like when our cycle is coming on, or just a change in hormones based on the medications that you're taking or something like that, that could cause bloating in the gut as well. And there's many ways that you could get rid of it. So what you want to do first is increase your fiber intake, okay? So fiber can help with constipation. Fiber helps to keep things moving, all right? The recommended dosage of fiber for females is 25 grams, and the recommended dosage of fiber for men is 38 grams, okay? If you aren't taking fiber or fiber is not something that is a part of your diet, it's recommended that you start slowly because you don't want to give your body too much fiber. Okay? So if you are wanting to start incorporating more fiber in your diet, what you could do is just incorporate a little at a time over a several week period. How I incorporate fiber in my diet is I like to add chia seeds or flax seeds to my oatmeal or my smoothies, and that is a super easy way to get your fiber intake for the day. They also have fiber pills and fiber powder supplement like Metamucil, I think it's called. And Metamucil is something that you could take that gives you your daily intake of fiber for the day, that keeps things pushing and eliminate and get that tummy flat. All right, I know if you are a part of this community and you watch my videos, so you already know what I'm about to say, because I say it in every single health video that I put out. If you drink juice, if you drink soda on a constant basis, replace it with what? Water, okay? Drink more water. Y'all, them carbonated drinks contain gas, okay? Not acid, but gas. I know a lot of people believe that soda and stuff have acid, but no.
To come up to full carbonation, if you shake it, can you hear the gas going in? It will carbonate faster.
Soda is basically regular water filled with air that makes it carbonated and bubbly that you drink, okay? So that's a bunch of gas that you're ingesting every day, and that gas builds up in your stomach. Those gases cause bloating in the gut, y'all. If you're an avid soda drinker, swap it out for water. Drink your recommended dosage of water for the day. I have my water right here. This is the amount of water I drink a day. Sometimes I'll put it in my my water bottle that I have over there. Sometimes I don't be feeling like filling up my water bottle. So I just drink my water straight out of this gallon jug, and I consume the amount of water that I have for the day. Right now it's the middle of the day, so I just have a little bit left, but get your water in. Drink your water. Your body will thank you. Your mind will thank you. Your skin will thank you, okay? Drink more water. I just uploaded a video on how to naturally detox. So if you're interested in how to naturally detox your body at home without having to ingest any chemicals or stuff like that, I'll link it up here for you, and you can go ahead and watch that video after this one. Okay, keep watching this one. Avoid chewing gum, okay? Gum ain't where it's at. I know, you know, gum freshens your breath and people love chewing on gum for their breath to smell nice and minty all day long. But some gums contain sugar alcohol, okay? And that type of sugar causes bloating in the gut. And for some people, chewing gum allows you to swallow air. I don't chew gum now, but when I did, I will always notice my stomach being bloated and my stomach being a little bit more bigger than usual. And it was because as I was chewing, I was inhaling air. And that leads to bloating in the gut. You know, who would have thought? Who would have thought chewing gum leads to freaking bloating? Not me. So instead of gum, you want to chew on mints. You want to eat things like peppermint. What I love ginger mints. Ginger mints is something that my grandpa put me on a long periodically time ago.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
And that's like my favorite mint to consume and eat. But yeah, switch out your gum for mint or peppermint or ginger mint or Tic Tac, whatever it is, but try to avoid chewing gum as much as you can. And y'all hear my dog. She ain't letting me live. She really ain't letting me live. Exercise helps your body move stool and gas out of your colon. It helps make your bowels more regular. Exercise also releases sodium out of your body through your sweat. So when you're sweating and you're releasing that extra water weight that you have, so if you could try to get it in 15 to 30 minutes, 3 to 5 days a week, please do it. If you only have 15 minutes, like sometimes I'm working, so I only have 15 minutes in my day to try to get something done. And I prefer to work out in the morning. I don't really like working out at nighttime. I feel like my energy level is lower. So I do a 15-minute hit. I do a 15-minute jump rope hit. And y'all, I have a 2-pound weighted jump rope, 15 minutes, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. You are going to be sweating bullets. It's crazy. So that's all the anti-bloating tips that I have for you. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on right now. The rules are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, go ahead and watch more. There's more videos here. Go ahead and subscribe. The subscribe button is gonna be over here. Thank you. Have a good night.